How long it takes to recover from a knee replacement depends on several different factors, including your age, your general health, and the type of knee replacement surgery you've undergone. Naturally, a partial knee replacement takes less time than a full knee replacement. That said, here are some basics for the full knee job. Your doctor will encourage you to do a little walking immediately after your procedure, using a walker or other orthopedic device. Expect to stay in the hospital just 1 or 2 days, although some patients can go home the same day if their surgical team agrees it's okay. Others may need a little longer. Those who require extra attention or live alone may be transferred to a rehabilitation center to get the support they need. Outpatient physical therapy is typically prescribed after discharge and will usually begin within a week of surgery. Physical therapy can really help shorten the recovery process. Usually, patients who have undergone a full replacement procedure can resume normal daily activities within 6 weeks. Some are able to drive in as little as 3 weeks, although 6 weeks is probably safer. Full recovery often takes 4 to 6 months, but honestly, some patients may need up to an entire year to realize the total benefits of their operation.